Okay, we're going to continue in this video with simple interest. It's part 2. Okay, we'll start off with our joke of the day. Here we go. We've got one of these minions here. And what is he saying? The only exercise I've done this month is running out of money. Running out of money. Again, again, this is part of our finance unit, so I've got this finance joke. Okay, just a refresher, the two formulas we're going to use, we're not going to switch. We're going to be I equals PRT and A equals P plus I. Okay, so P is for principal, R is for rate. Okay, so whatever the percent is, T is for time in years. Okay, P is how much you put in at the start. So then the amount you have in the bank is what you put in the start plus the interest. We're going to go right into some questions here using those formulas. So here, find T. So here's how I would do this question. Okay, so I got 750 equals 500 times 0.05 times T. So I go to my calculator. First thing I do is I multiply these two numbers on the calculator. So I go in here and I go 5,000 times 0.005 and I get an answer, 250. So in here I write 750. I'm using my pens here. I write 750 equals 250 T. Now to find T by itself, I divide both sides by 250. And then I get T. And usually T is in years, but it doesn't say anything here. We'll go back to our calculator here. 750 divided by 250. 3. So here it would be 3 years, but in this case it doesn't say years or anything, it just says find T. So T is 3. And there's our final answer. T is 3. Circle around it. Next. Oh, now let's find P. So same thing, we're going to go 600 equals, and then we're going to multiply these numbers right here. We're going to put P, and it's going to be multiplied by those two numbers. So let's go back to our calculator here, and we go 405 times 3, and you get 0.15. 0.15. Now we're going to divide by what's beside the letter always. So we're going to divide by 0.15. We're going to divide 0.15 on this side, and we can figure out what P is. So let's go to our calculator because I can't do this one in my head. So it's 600 divided by 0.15, 4,000. So we would have started off with $4,000. So you're noticing now we're going to find the other letters. We're not going to find I and A. Instead, we're going to find P, T, and R. Oh, the R stuck in the middle. You're still going to multiply the 4 times the 2. So here we're still going to go to our calculator. Okay, we're going to still multiply 2,000 times 4,000. And some of you might be good at math. You know it's 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And so you know it'll be 8,000. But you can always use a calculator times 4, 8,000. And you write 8,000 R. Okay, 8,000 R. Then you divide both sides by 8,000. Divided by 8,000. And then you go R equals, so R equals R. We can get our answer here. Let's go back to our calculator. And you get 160 divided by 8,000. Okay, and you get 0.02 as a decimal. And then you multiply this time by 100. If you wanted a percent, that'd be like 2%. So you'd have to do the opposite. Okay, let's take a look at our next one here. So now I put all these letters and a percent here. So now we put all the letters and we got to put it into our formula. So maybe we can color code some of these. So we'll go I equals P. Okay, we'll do P black. R will do red. And T will do in green. Okay, so P. Maybe we should do another letter. We should do, let's make the P and purple. So we'll erase it. So we got all different colors so we know what's going on here. Okay, so you can watch where I get the letters from. So look, I will be in black, P will be in purple, R will be in T. So let's start off with the I. Okay, we're given the I right here. So I is 450. So we put it where the I is. We go equals. Well, let's go to the P. Oh, P is a question mark. It's right there. So we're just going to put P. Okay, R. There's R. It's 2.5%. Well, we're not going to use 2.5%. We're going to put a decimal. So over on the side, let's figure out where. Let's put it here. R equals 2.5 divided by 100. Whoops. So you're going to get 0.025. So you put 0.025. The R is a little bit tricky here. 0.025. And the last one here was green. T is in 3. So you put a 3 here. Okay, we got everything. Now we got to go to what we did earlier. We're going to have to multiply these two. So here we go. I'm going to go back to the black and put everything in black. 450 equals P. And then we get an answer for these two. So let's go to our calculator. Turn that on. 0.025 times 3. Not 6, but 3. Equals 0.075. 0.075. We divide both sides by 0.075. Divide that side by 0.075 like we did earlier. And make that 5 a little neater. And we get P equal 450 divided by 0.05. Don't know what that is. 450 divided by 0.075. 6,000. Okay. And our answer is 6,000. It'd be $6,000, but it's 6,000 bucks. Our principal that we started off with. Okay, let's do a couple more of these. So again, we're going to do the same thing color coded. P equals, okay, P equals I. That's not P equals. What am I doing? It's I equals PRT. Okay, I equals PRT. So let's do that again. I equals PRT. Oh, we'll do I in red. In black, we'll do the P this time. The rate, okay, we'll do this color. And the time, that color, blue. Okay, start off with the I. Okay, let's find the I. There it is. 4320. Okay, now the black for the P, that's given this time. Okay, it's 1200. Our rate and 0. Our rate is 6%. So over here, let's go rate. So 6 divided by 100. 0.06. So in here you put 0.06. Okay, time. Okay, oh, we don't know time. So T. Okay, we'll stick with that blue color, 4320. You multiply these two, so you go to your calculator here. You do 12000 times 0.06. You get 720T. And then you divide by the 720 beside the letter. Go back to our calculator. 4320 divided by 720. 6. Oh, our time is 6 years. So it's like 6 years. Finally, we'll do one for the R. Okay, so here we got the R. Again, we'll color code it so everyone can see what's happening. We'll P equals, red we'll do, again, I did the same thing as I equals, so gotta be careful there. I don't know why I want to put, because I see P first, I want to put P equals. So instead I should put I equals. Okay, I will be red, I equals. Okay. P will be green, R will be blue, and T will be purple. Okay, so let's put in our values here. So interest is 360. 360. P is 6,000. Comes from right here. Okay, R. Oh, we don't know R. Just going to put R. Purple for T. T is 3 years, so we'll circle it. 3. Okay, so now there all the numbers in the formula. You go 6,000 times 3. So now just use the one purple color. 360 equals 6,000 times 3. Go back to the calculator. 6,000 times 3. 18,000. R. We're going to divide by 18,000 here. Divide this side by 18,000. Okay, and R. So you did with 360 divided by 18,000. Let's go back to the calculator. 360 divided by 18,000. 0.02. 0.02. Let's convert that to a percent. So how do we do that? We multiply it by 100. So we take 0.02 times 100, and we get R equal to 2%. 2%. So you multiply, you do the opposite to get the percent. Okay, I'm going to do the 3 word problems after. Okay, so I'm just going to, I'm just going to pause the video here and do the 3 word problems after.